Hi, it's Joe Wiesner Realty with a just listed home of the day here in Hammonton, New Jersey. And I'm at 550 Central Avenue, Millionaires Row. We have a 4 to 5 bedroom home here, 2 full baths, master bedroom on the first floor, and we're gonna check it out. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're coming back to the channel, you know the value that you're getting by being the first to know about these just listed properties. Let's check it out. What's really great about Central Avenue is pretty much everything. You're close to downtown, very close to the Hammonton Lake Park, curb and sidewalk everywhere, public water and sewer, but you got these gorgeous, priceless tulip trees here. You got 3 of them in a row here, about 125 feet tall, just absolutely amazing. Central Avenue is known for that. As well, you have this huge porch. Imagine spending the summertime out here and just kind of having a good time with your family and friends, something that not every property has. On the first floor, you have a huge family room, and you have wood floors throughout the entire first floor. Center focal point, gas log fireplace with a raised hearth, really nice. Crown moldings, windows everywhere. This is the master bedroom suite, and it also has a master bath, which is attached, which is nice, with 2 closets. What's great about the first floor, and for that matter, the second floor, both of them have 9-foot ceilings, which is very unusual in any kind of new construction, but quite common in the Dutch Colonial realm. As you make your way through the family room, you have a large dining area here. Put a big table and chairs, real nice. And you have your kitchen. Not huge, but it's got the granite countertops, undermount sink, stainless steel, all in good condition. As we make our way to the upstairs, there's 4 rooms up here. 3 of them we could call bedrooms for sure, and then the other room you're just going to use as you please. But it certainly could be used as that. Just doesn't have a closet. And you'll note that you have the angular ceilings and they're 9-foot ceilings. So we'll call that bonus room there. Here you have your bathroom, full bath that services the 4 rooms up here. We'll call this bedroom number 2 because remember, you have the master downstairs. Beautiful finished woodwork here in this property. These 2 bedrooms to the front of the home facing Central Avenue, they're actually just humongous. You got the windows in the dormer here and nice eastern exposure over here. 9-foot, really high. Same here on the flip side, another dormer, more 9-foot ceilings, and you also have your central air in the ceiling here, so that gives you maximum comfort. Let's head down to the basement, check that out. It's got a full basement. The headroom, it's about 6'3", I'd say. It's got a 200 amp electrical service right here, so you have gobs and gobs of power. That's been upgraded recently. It's got a drain tile system around the perimeter here. Got public water, public sewer, and looks like you have an irrigation control for your sprinkler system. It's got 2 hot water heaters, and it's got dual zone HVAC. So that means you have 2 furnaces, natural gas, and you got 2 central air units. And over into the corner, you have your washer and dryer. To the left, you have a bonus room. Use that whatever way that you want to use it. If you've made it through the video to this point, then you probably love this house, and so do I. You're on the corner of Central Avenue and Locust Street. You have a 2-car garage to the back and a nice play area to the rear as well. You have 4 beds, probably closer to 5 beds, whatever way that you want to use it. 2 full baths, 1,750 square feet. If you want to set up your own private showing here personally, you could call the number here at 609-400-3035. If you want to get all the details to the property, click the link in the description below. That'll take you to the website and that'll get you all the details on this one. Public water, public sewer, Central Avenue, walk to town, 1,750 feet. Make this property yours. And Joe Wiesner hopes to see you at the settlement table.